Díagwit agus fáilte go dtí an ranggailge na Séasúir. Cearcalóir. Iver a hain, féach an musca an seo. Tá míana na bliana, so mí abrán agus mí lúnas I mí bealtaine. Okay, so scríamh isteach sa bhosca an sin. Okay, so you can screenshot there if you want and fill them in. Agus an sin task dó matchall. So féicear na pictúr an sin, hain dó trí cahar cuaig agus a sé, and you are going to have to write in the correct word in there. So féicear shikini, what would you say that is? You might need to look some of these words up on folklore.ie. That's your online dictionary to help you. Okay, task number 3, okay, is a leibhiskent. Okay, so tá ceistena hain dó trí cahar cuaig agus is sé. Okay, and these questions are based on the text above. So iver a hain, cé bhéid séasúir atá sa bhliain. You might need to look that up. With that word, that cé bhéid, we've seen that before. It means how many. So how many seasons are in the year? Okay, now I know you know the answer to that question, but how do you say that oscailge? Well, have a look up here and you will be able to find where it says it. See the very first line? Tá ceithre séasúir sa bhliain. Okay, you can stop there or you can write out the names of them. An Tarach, an Saura, an Fóver, an Gíomhra. Okay, and do as many of those questions as you possibly can. Okay, go héintach. And needless to say, scríamh na freagraí isteach sa chópléir. For that one there, for task 3, write the answers into your copy. Okay, slán agus ganairí leat.